Okay, so let's learn how to make postcards in Adobe Illustrator in simple steps. So when you open the Adobe Illustrator, you already have a new file that is the postcard size, and in here, if you look at the dimension, it is 197.6 into 101.6 millimeters. So if I click there, I'll be able to create a file with a dimension for the postcards. But if you want to create your own dimension of your postcard, because the postcard doesn't have to be a fixed size, it can be any other sizes also, but for now I'm going to select this one. Okay, so what we're going to make is that we're going to make postcard. Let us consider a corporate postcard where the name of the companies will be there, and in the front it will be somewhat like the advertisement, and in the backside it will be the addresses where you'll be sending the postcard to some other people. But for now we only have the front page and we do not have the back page. So at that time you can create another artboard to create the back side of our postcard. So I'm going to click here and make a copy of this page. Leave enough space between these two artboard so that you can work your arts freely. And I'm going to click on the selection tool so that I can come out of the artboard tool. Okay, so here I'm going to zoom in so that I can properly work on this area only. So this is going to be our front page and this is going to be the back page. So as I've said earlier, the front page will be somewhat like the advertisement of the company, and in the back side we're going to write the name of the people to whom we're going to send, as well as some other arts will also be there. So here in the front page it can be of any design. So for now I'm going to make a simple design. Here I will make, okay, let's say I will make something like this, a rectangle. I'm going to leave the stroke and fill up a color, and this one right here, this point, I'm going to change this one to, let's say, this curve, and so that I can make something like this. Alright, and I'm going to copy one more. I'm going to expand this. Let's say, let us bring this one somewhere here, and I'm going to keep it like this. So this one is going to be changed. I'm going to change the color for this one and send this one to back side. For changing this to back, you can press Ctrl and then use the open bracket, and then it will look something like that. Alright, now I'm going to make a circle. Okay, so we need the name of the company. For now I'm just going to write company, and I'm going to write some advertisement lines. That is, let's say, need a website. This one, let's change the color to this one here, and in here let us put a picture. For putting the picture, I will have a picture here, so you can use any picture of that should be relevant to your company or the corporate. And I will also send this one to back. You can add some more wording here, like the features of your company. Okay, or you can write something about the advertisement, like something like this here. And after doing that, we are left with arranging it. So for arranging that, I'm just going to make a rectangle and select all of them. After selecting all of them, you can make a clipping mask. So right click on that area and use the make clipping mask option. So if you click that, all this design will come under that rectangle. So this is the front page of our postcard, and in the back side there will be the address area. So for that also I'm going to make a rectangle and I'm going to put some links for the social media. So for putting that, I already have some designs here, the social media logos, and along with that I will also write the name of the links. Okay, so for now I'm going to keep it just like that, where you can put the links of the social media by directly typing just near those logos. Okay, that is our arrangement, and that's it. That is how you can make a postcard in Adobe Illustrator.